In this guide, I'm going to show you how to get refund for Black Ops 1 on PS4 and PS5 so you can refund your BO1 purchase. Now, first things first, you actually have to do this on a secondary device. You can't do it directly on your console. Instead, either open up the PlayStation website on your phone, computer, laptop, or console as well. Sign in with the same PlayStation account used to purchase BO1. And then go ahead and select that profile icon right here. Scroll down, select order history. And once you select order history, find Black Ops 1 from within here. We're going to use college football as an example. Select request refund on this, and your eligibility will fully determine whether you get this or not. And this is all based off of PlayStation's refund policy, including when the game was purchased and whether it's already been downloaded or played. If the refund option is unavailable, just contact PlayStation support directly, explain the problems you've experienced, and they may give you a refund as well. Before you do leave, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.